Oh, now it's recording. Richie's been soldering little soldering bridges right here. And we thought we were recording earlier, but we weren't. So we've done some double pad solders and some solder bridges, and we've practiced with the solder resist. It's impossible to solder on a solder resist, as far as I can tell.
Look!
Yeah, you got something on there, but I bet it'll just brush off with the finger. See, it's not beating up at all. Trying to solder on the solder resist right now. Yeah.
This one definitely isn't resisting. Whoa.
Now try to make a dot over here. The dot is repelled from the pad, see? Now you can tell the difference between resisting. See? Let's
It's
not
like a
drop that
pen.
on our fingers. I don't know what that's gonna do, but I don't want to mess around with it. There we go. I wonder if we can just like collect drops of solder on the end of our tip like you did right there, and then just send them down here. I don't think that's the way it's supposed to work. I think we should just do it down here. Be simpler. There we go. That's how I do my double pads.
What if you stretched it out all the way?
Stretched out the solder?
Yeah.
It would be hard to control. Because it would be too long
No,
and bendy.
I mean this.
Take that with your hand. If you stretch it out all the way, it gets hard to control because it gets too long and it'll start like bending under its own weight. That's why we don't do that. There you go. Oh, you had it. Oh, you lost it. Oh, you lost it. Got it. Good job. Take it.
Four more pads.
Got it. Alright, now we can turn
Unplug
this
it.
iron off. Yeah.